So today I will discuss that safe and coupon, this problem from CodeShape, February CodeShape, starters that dated for only revision 3. So I will solve all the problems I will try to solve. Okay, and today I will going to solve the first problem, that is safe and coupon. So you please read the problem from this site, and I will discuss its solution only. So first I will explain the problem and then I will come to the solution. Okay, there are actually there are 2 days and one orders at 3 items for item 3, and on first day the cost of the item is A1, second day it is A2, and third day it is A3. This is the cost of 3 items on day 1, and on day 2 the cost are B1, B2, B3. Okay, and delivery charge, and for delivering the product delivery charge is D, and there is a coupon, and coupon cost is C. What is the feature of this coupon? Coupon is, if you buy the coupon and your total order is greater than equal to 150, then your delivery charge is waived off, and you can use this coupon for both the days. This was our problem statement, and our objective is to minimize my total cost. Okay, and we can select, we can buy a coupon or not buy a coupon. So we have to do what gives us the minimum cost, and we have to print yes if we should buy the coupon to minimize our cost, and otherwise print no. So this is our problem. Okay, let's come to the solution now. Okay, I will write the solution now. So first I will include the header files, and okay, I have done this, and I will look at the input format now. So you can see that first is the test cases number, second number is the delivery charge, and third number is the coupon cost, and the next two lines gives us A1, A2, A3, and the next line is giving B1, B2, B3. So I will take the input now in my code. I will declare an array of size 3 for taking this input A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3, and I will iterate over this array and take the input. Next I will declare two variables, sum1 and sum2. What it will do, it will just compute the sum of this, and sum2 will compute the sum of b. So now I have sum1 is equal to total cost of items in day 1, and the sum2 is equal to total cost of item in day 2. Okay, now what I will do, I will consider two cases. First is case 1, if we not buy a coupon, and I will keep a variable total1 is equal to sum1 plus sum2, because in any case if we buy a coupon or not buy a coupon, we have to pay the sum1 plus sum2, that is total cost of the items. We cannot avoid that, we have to pay that, and later we will decide that we will pay the delivery charge or not depending on our coupon. So an important observation here is that if we are going to buy we are going to buy a coupon, then either we have to buy it at day 1 or we should not buy it. Like we cannot buy it on day 2, that will be of no use, because then we have to pay the delivery charge of day 1, so that will be our loss. So either we have to buy at day 1 or we do not buy it. So this is an important observation. So we will consider two cases now. So we will buy the coupon at day 1, and another case is we do not buy the coupon at all. So if we buy the coupon, then what will happen? We have to include our coupon charge, right? And then what we will do? Then we will check that if someone is less than 150, that is our total item cost on day 1 is less than 150, then we have to give the delivery charge. In spite of we are having the coupon, we have to give the delivery charge. So I will make this plus equal to D. I will add the delivery charge, and same thing for day 2 also. If our total item cost in day 2 is less than 150, we have to give the delivery charge. So this is our this is total. So this is our total cost in day 1. Now we will in case 1, when we are not buying, we buy a coupon, here made a mistake. We buy a coupon. When we buy the coupon, so this is our total cost, and in case 2 we do not buy the coupon, so our total cost will be int total 2 will be sum 1 plus sum 2 plus 2 into D. Whatever be our order amount, we have to pay the delivery charge 2 times for sum 1 and sum 2 1. So I have made it 2 into D. So now we will compare that total 1 is less than total 2. If buying the coupon makes our cost minimum, then we will definitely buy the coupon. Else we will not buy it. So this is our answer. So we will now run this, and first let me copy the sample input. And run the sample input. So our output is yes and no. So let us check this. Yes, this is, I think this is correct, yes and no. So let's submit this one. Let us copy the code and submit. I will choose the language as C++ and submit. Okay, I have got the correct answer. Thank you for watching, and I will upload the other solution I will give the link in the description, and I will upload our next